How to contact Agoda customer support. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you contact Agoda customer support. So let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your device. After you open Agoda with your account, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on More. From More section, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option Help Center. From the section, tap on Contact Agoda Customer Service at the top left. And from here, as usual, you can explain or mention your problem from here as it is your AI powered assistant. If you want to do a personal email to Agoda customer support, for that, open your Gmail app. After you open Gmail, tap on Compose. From the section, the official mail ID of Agoda will be like customer.service@agoda.com. Alright, after you add this email from here, you'll have to just provide any subject for your concern, and on the compose section, you'll have to briefly explain your problem to Agoda customer support. Make sure to include your booking ID, email address, and issue clearly. And that's it. These are the methods to contact Agoda customer support. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.